What is power of imagination? It is power of mind, and this is just a medium and something we don't see before, but we can create an image by the imagination, but which is not exist in reality. Thereof, many of us say there is a big difference between the reality and imagination. It is true, there is big difference imagination and reality, but those who don't know how to imagine, they are fall behind the competition of life, and we can't do anything directly. At first we think and we can create an image. So how can we create an image? And we can create an image by the imagination. And when we want to do something, we cannot do directly. At first we think, and this is the way, and how is that, and then we create an image. It could be like this, like this, and in this way I can do this, and we can get those ideas from the imagination. We just awaken up our subconscious mind. When our subconscious mind is awaken up, then we can do anything. You just think what is the imagination. At first when you are alone, like at home, at your workplace, then you just think that what is my role and what I want to do, and we don't know what is that, but we can create an image. Yes, you can do this way, especially for learning English. When I start learning this language, then I don't know how to learning this language, then I create an image. Yes, English is very important for me. If I want to learn this language, then I have to follow some rules, especially grammar, and I have to listen something English lead video. Then I can create an environment in my mind, and we just awaken up our mind. When you in one place, then you have no idea. When you try to thinking something, then you can create an image by the imagination. At first, how can I improve our imagination? If you want to improve your imagination, you walk early in the morning. When you walk early in the morning, then the environment is calm, the whole entire world is silent, and your mind will be improved, your subconscious mind will be awakened up. And imagination is the great thing. You create anything and imagination, and we can create the outline of implement by the imagination. When you want to do something, then we create an outline of implement by the imagination, and we can get this idea from the imagination. When our subconscious mind is waken up, we can do anything. Especially we cannot do anything directly. At first we think, we create an image, and this is the imagination. And when your imagination will be improved, then you can get new idea from new place, your from your new workplace. In the way of your life, you can get new idea on the way of life by the imagination. And imagination is not a dream, it is the reality. But if you want to implement, then you have to imagine, and you just can up your memory, your subconscious mind, you can get many idea. Yes, it is true, there is big difference between the reality and the imagination, but if you are interested, we need, according to me, everyone learn something every day. When you learn something every day, new thing, then you can get many idea from your imagination, and imagination inspire us to do something in our life. At first I always try to learn new thing, and but I don't know how is it possible, and then I imagine it, and this is the way it could be done. This it could be like this, and it need be done this way. And this type of idea I can get from the imagination. And imagination is not a dream, it is the big reality. But many of them say that it is the big difference, it is right, but those who don't know how to imagine, they are fall behind in the competition of life. You, if you want to do something, you create an image by the imagination, and this is my goal. I want to do this. And when you want to do this, your subconscious mind is waking up and push you. You imagine it, and you just create an image. You can do this way, and this type of idea you can gain. And the implement, the another name of implement is imagination.